welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kanpyo Sushi Roll. Kampyo are strips of dried gourd, and they are cooked in a sweet and salty sauce until very tender. The sweet taste and somewhat squishy texture of cooked kampyo matches very well with tangy sushi rice. This sushi is perfect if you are vegetarian or do not like fish. These are the ingredients. Kampyo can be found at a Japanese or Asian market if you have one nearby, or you can try online stores. For sushi rice, we have an easy-to-follow video. For ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website, japanesecooking101.com. Let's get started. First, we prepare kampyo. In a large bowl, rinse kampyo in water and drain. And rub with salt very well until it becomes somewhat elastic. This step is important in order to hydrate the kampyo properly. Rinse and soak in water for 10 minutes. Next, cook kampyo in boiling water for 10 minutes and strain water. We are going to cook kampyo in a sauce. Mix water, mirin, soy sauce, and sugar. Bring to boil and add the rehydrated kampyo. And cook until the liquid is almost gone. Remove from the heat and let cool. Then cut the kampyo into 8-inch long strips. Cut roasted nori seaweed in half and place it on a sushi mat. And place about 1/4 cup sushi rice. Moisten the fingertips and spread the rice on the seaweed, leaving a little space along the far edge of the seaweed. Place kampyo strips on the middle of the rice. Holding the filling down, roll from the front end of the mat toward the other end and pulling the mat to tighten. This recipe makes 4 rolls. And cut each roll into 8 pieces. Since the kampyo is seasoned well, you don't really need soy sauce to dip. Serve with pickled gingers on the side if you like. If you can find kampyo, you should definitely try this simple and delicious roll.
美味しい。美味しいね。